Welcome to our group's presentation. I'm Jean, and this is my roommate, Shelly. So Shelly, first let me ask you a question. If now I have a picture and I want to transmit it to your mobile phone, which ways do you think is the most convenient to do it?
I think just use Bluetooth, then everything can be done.
Yes, absolutely Bluetooth. So this is our topic today. As we can see that Bluetooth has become one of the most important wireless connection device in our daily life. And the name of Bluetooth came from a Danish king who loved to eat blueberry, so always got his teeth blue. At that time, he was instrumental in uniting factions in parts of what is now Norway, Sweden, and also Denmark. So just as Bluetooth is designed to allow collaboration between different industries. So in our presentation today, we will first give you a brief introduction about how Bluetooth works, which you may find very easy. And also you may be interested in which kind of application device is Bluetooth take advantage of Bluetooth. So I will give you some examples of the application of Bluetooth technology. And the third part, which is the main part of our presentation today, is about how Bluetooth avoid interference with other same wireless connection technology. And the two fundamental methods will be given. So first, let's welcome Shelly to give you the brief introduction.
Bluetooth wireless technology describes how laptops, mobile phones, printers, and personal digital assistants can be easily interconnected using a short-range wireless connection. Using this technology, users of cellular phones and personal digital assistants can get quickly synchronized with information in a desktop or notebook and have all these devices totally coordinated. Bluetooth wireless technology operates in the unlicensed 2.5 GHz spectrum, and this frequency band is set aside for the international agreement for the use of industrial, medical, and scientific devices. The peak data rate is 3 million bits per second, which means we can transmit a high-definition picture within 1 or 2 seconds. And the Bluetooth technology does not require line-of-sight positioning of connected devices. And so we can send or transmit signals from all directions. And this feature makes Bluetooth more easier to use. So Jen, can you introduce some applications to us?
Yes, so since Bluetooth was designed as a cable replacement, so it is now widely used in our household appliances. For example, in your study room, of course your PC and your wireless keyboard and mouse is using Bluetooth. And also in your bedroom, nowadays the hottest selling video game, Wii, is using Bluetooth to connect their remote and console. And also, 1 or 2 years ago, the Motorola's Bluetooth headset has become one of the fashion styles like this. So you can answer your phone while working or driving without the interference of Wi. But however, we realize that in the visible net around us is not only consist Bluetooth. There are a lot of other, like radio wave from radio broadcast station, or Wi-Fi, infrared, so on. And the problem is that a number of devices also take advantage of the same radio frequency band together with Bluetooth, which is the 2.4 GHz. 3 examples is given. So there exists interference. So how to make sure that Bluetooth and these other devices don't interfere with one another is an important topic of Bluetooth design. So we will give two fundamental methods to deal with this problem.
One of the ways Bluetooth can deal with interference with other signals is by sending out very weak signals about 1 milliwatt. By comparison, the most powerful cellular phone can send out a signal about 3 watts. So the low power limits the range of Bluetooth to about 10 meters. However, we all know that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, they are complementary technologies and also be used in the same place. And the power control method, however, cannot meet the needs of dealing with the interference between Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So here comes the second method, frequency hopping spread spectrum. And this is a method of transmitting radio signals by rapidly switching a carrier among many frequency channels. The band is divided into 79 individual frequency channels, and the Bluetooth are protected from radio interference by changing their frequencies arbitrarily about 1,600 times per second. It hops across these channels in a random fashion. Only transmitters and receivers that act on the same hop frequency that can have access to the transmitted data. Designed to operate in a noisy radio frequency environment, Bluetooth avoids interference from other signals by hopping to a new frequency after transmitting or receiving a packet. Compared with other systems operating in the same frequency channel, Bluetooth typically hops faster and uses shorter packets. This makes the Bluetooth more robust than other systems. Short packages and fast hopping also limit the impact of domestic and professional use of microwaves.
So talking about frequency hopping strategies, we should know that the basic unit of Bluetooth network is picnet. And in the picnet consists one master and up to 7 slaves, which in the picture you can see the computer is master and the devices around it is slaves. This enables one device to transmit signals at the same time to up to 7 different devices. And also every device in the same picnet will have the same frequency sequences, but different picnets will have different frequency hopping sequences and phases, which is designed by the master in the picnet. So that's why we can see that one device cannot at the same time play the role of 2 masters, and also in one picnet, only one master can be in one picnet. To summarize our presentation today, we will give you a real-world situation as an example. Suppose this is my house, and now I want to connect my computer A to device boy and C. So they form a picnet, which A is the master. And then the slave B at the same time want to connect dog E and F. And then it forms another picnic. And at the same time, the red part Wi-Fi is also cover the whole community of my living environment. So first, the Bluetooth, by sending very weak signals, they stay within 10 meters, which will not interfere with the Wi-Fi outside my house. And for for the area inside my house, the Bluetooth will use the frequency hopping strategies to hop very quickly in the 79 frequency band, so that even if they encounter with the Wi-Fi frequency band, they will jump out very quickly and retransmit their data which have lost. So by those two strategies, Bluetooth avoid interference with the Wi-Fi. So that's the end of our presentation.